Hey team, welcome to the numbers game. I'm Coach T, and in this tutorial, we're going to be determining if the columns of a matrix are linearly independent. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for notifications on new math tutorials. All right, now let's take a look at our example. Alrighty, so our example says, determine if the columns of the matrix below are linearly independent. Now the first step to solving this matrix is to get it into reduced echelon form, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And of course, feel free to skip ahead if you don't need to see those steps. And we made it. If you watched all that, thanks for bearing with me. And if you skipped ahead, welcome back. We've reduced our matrix and we see that x sub 1 equals 0, x sub 2 equals 0, and x sub 3 equals 0. So I can already see that the columns of this matrix are indeed linearly independent because there were no free variables, but let me just break that down. So we're going to put our original matrix in the form Ax equals 0. So our original matrix was this one here. Right, so this was our original matrix, and we're going to break it down to x sub 1 times the first column plus x sub 2 times our second column plus x sub 3 times our third column. And this is going to be equal to a 0 vector. So let's talk about what it means for columns to be linearly independent. The columns of our matrix are linearly independent if there's a trivial solution to our matrix A times an x vector set equal to a 0 vector. So looking at what we came up with, we see that our matrix had no free variables. So therefore, matrix A times the x vector set equal to the 0 vector does indeed have a trivial solution. And because we do have a trivial solution, that means that the columns of matrix A are linearly independent. And actually here, I'll write that down for you guys. And there you have it. We've determined that this matrix is indeed linearly independent. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and again, subscribe to the channel for more math tutorials. I'm Coach T, and thanks for watching the numbers game.